Hi everybody, this is Mr. Zarzak, and in this video I'm going to take you through some troubleshooting and show you some examples of how we use this device right here. This is called the electroscope. Okay, so in the lab you're going to get a number of wands, okay, and materials to charge them up. So you just take and you rub the fur. I'm hoping that you can hear a little bit of the crackle in the video. If not, you should hear some crackle. Okay, if you bring it close to the top of the electroscope, you see that the dial will respond, okay, to that. All right, now, if the electroscope gets bumped around or you find for whatever reason that your dial is not sitting in your electroscope, okay, just so you can see, this is a little cardboard tube that's got some aluminum foil on it, and then this is just like a sewing needle. So if it comes off, you'll see that there's a little place for it to sit. Okay, a little curved seat for that. All right, so just be aware of that. If you need to fix it, it's really easy. You just put it back. You're going to look at charging via contact or conduction. Okay, so I've got my wand charged up with my rabbit fur. Okay, so if I make contact, so I'm literally going to rub, okay, the wand across the top of that. Okay, and that's what we call charging by contact. If you want to ground the scope at any point, okay, all you do is you just take your finger, you touch it to the top. Okay, and the scope has now been grounded. All right, so that's charging via conduction. Okay, and I'm going to show you what's called charging via induction. Okay, so just so you can see, you need to do this in the lab yourself. Okay, but just so you can see the steps, so I'm going to charge up the wand. Okay, I'm going to bring it close, but do not let it touch, okay, the surface or the top plate of the electroscope. Okay, and then I'm going to come in, I'm going to touch the scope, okay, to ground it like that. All right, and then I'm going to take the wand away. Okay, so observe the behavior. The lab will ask you to then, once you have charged it up via induction, which is what you're looking at right now, to then perform tests to figure out what kind of charge is on it. All right, so these steps usually mess everybody up, so I'm going to take you through them one more time. I've got my charged wand. I'm going to bring it close, but no touching. Okay, then I'm going to come in and touch the plate. And then when I take the wand away, okay, the needle does that. All right, it's your job to figure out what's going on, but those are the basics. All right, good luck with your lab.